In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit margins here in Canva. Now, this is relatively easy to do. What we want to do once we have our design is simply come up to File just here in the left-hand corner. We're then going to come down to Settings and click on Show Margins. So right here, you can see this dotted little line going around all of the design. Now, these are the default margins. To set your own margins, what we can do is come up to File just here, come back to Settings, and then we can click on Show Rulers and Guides. Now from here, what we simply want to do is click on to the ruler, which is up here, and down here on the left-hand side as well. We can click on here, and we can drag that in to wherever we want it. Then we can do this on the left hand side as well, and we could go around the whole design. Now this top one, that's set at 1.1. Let's just change this to 1 like that, and then we could do that on here as well. Now the rulers just here do change depending on what you use for your design. So if we come up here to File again, we can see this design is 21 centimeters by 29.7 centimeters. So because we use centimeters, the rulers are in centimeters. If we used inches, it would then be in inches. So please keep that in mind as well. Now let's just carry on and set these new margins. So let's put this one all over here as well, and we only want one like that. Then we can grab this again and do that just here. And now we've set new margins that we can then use to make sure our design is how we want it, which means we can then create our designs and make sure that our designs do not go over our new margins. Now to get rid of this as well, we can go back up to File, then we can go back to Settings, then all we have to do is click on there and it's going to disable this. We can also do this by clicking onto the background of the design, right clicking, come down to Guides, and we can clear guides like that, and it's completely going to go. And again, to completely get rid of the rulers, we can come back up to here, click on there, we can click back onto the margins as well, and that's going to disappear. But nonetheless, that's how easy it is to edit margins here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.